So in this video, I'm going to share 15 of the best affiliate programs that anyone can join for completely free to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024. Some of these pay up to $15,000 per month, while some of them can go as high as $100,000 per month in affiliate commissions if you have a good traffic source. And usually in this channel, I talk about how my faceless YouTube automation channels are generating tens of thousands of dollars per month in ad revenue, but we also use them to promote affiliate links in the description without recording videos with a camera. But a very common question I get is, okay Dave, but which affiliate programs are actually worth promoting and which are just waste of time? So in this video, I want to boil down the best 15 affiliate programs that I personally use as well. The very first one on our list is a company that's on a rise right now. Now over the last 30 days, I only made about $200 with it, but they do give 40% reoccurring revenue. The company in question is School. It's a platform where people build communities and sell digital products, and they even have a leaderboard where they show top earners on this platform. We can see that some people literally make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with it, so it's kind of easy to refer people because you can just say, hey, you can build a community like these guys and you get 40% reoccurring commissions. Now School is very simple. They only have one pricing plan, which is $99 a month. There's no yearly plans, nothing, just $99 a month, which means that you're earning about $39 per month every time you refer someone. Communities that people can build can literally be on any topic. In fact, this is a top chess gang and they have 4.7 thousand members, while on the other side we have some communities that are specifically made for people interested in music. It goes from business, health, personal development, arts, photo, video, etc. To sign up to their affiliate program, you would just create an account on the platform. You would then click on your account here, click on settings, and then simply navigate to the affiliates section where you can get your affiliate link that's going to look something like this. You can copy that with one press of a button. Second affiliate program on our list is going to be System.io, which is a tool that people use to build landing pages, websites, and do email marketing. Now, so far, I did about $2.3 thousand in affiliate commissions with this website. And the way it effectively works is people will just come over to here, they will create a free account, and then of course, alongside there would be upsold a lot of different services and a lot of different things. Like they can literally build a website, do email marketing, manage their affiliates, create online courses, all in one platform. And it's kind of like ClickFunnels alternative. And when you create an account, you just go to your dashboard right over here. So just click on affiliate dashboard, and there you can find your affiliate link that's going to look something like this. You can copy it with one press of a button. Third affiliate program pays you while you sleep, and it comes from SpyFu. So SpyFu affiliate program gives you 40% payout for life every single month, and as you can see, according to their website, you make money while you sleep. Now SpyFu is just an app that allows business owners to kind of spy on their competitors and to see like what keywords they're using and to see what they're doing with their ads, to see what projects they have, and it gives them reports and all the other nerdy stuff that business owners do. And so if you go to spyfu.com and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to find this affiliates section over here. And once there, you can just click on start earning every month and you will just create an account. Affiliate program number 4, if you're in the travel niche, this is a really good one. It's Expedia affiliate program that pays you when someone books hotels, when someone books flight tickets, and everything travel related. Now, honestly, their commission rates are not really high because you're not really selling digital products, but it still isn't bad. Affiliate program number 5 would come from this app called TapMob. Now, I've talked about this app in quite a few of my videos, but they essentially pay you when you refer someone that enters their email address. You don't even have to sell anything. There's a bunch of offers where they have basically like surveys and people just have to go in, they have to submit their email address, and you get paid like $7 to $8 per email collected. And those are so-called CPA offers or cost per action offers, and you can just install it on App Store or Google Play Store. Just bear in mind that you would need an invite code to get accepted, and you can just use mine, which is 90495, and you can register for completely free. Just keep in mind that it's not available worldwide. It's mostly available in the US and other top tier countries. But another affiliate program that is available worldwide is Fiverr Affiliates, and you can become a Fiverr affiliate, which is this platform where people come in to buy and sell different services. And I really like Fiverr for this because you can literally promote anything. Like if you find someone that is interested in building a website, or you found someone that needs a better website design, you can just tell them, hey, which is going to be a lot cheaper than hiring an agency or something. And when they go, they can buy that service, but they can buy any other service and you're still going to earn a commission. So their Fiverr affiliate program is available here. You would basically just click join now. You'd log into your account, and then you're going to see your balance right over here. You're going to see your clicks and everything. And then in the marketing tools section, you're just going to click on default and deep links, and there you can find a bunch of different affiliate links that you can promote. And you can also also create specific links for specific services that you might find here on Fiverr Marketplace. The next affiliate program actually pays tens of thousands of dollars per month. Like for example, you can see the calculations here depending on how many people you can refer and which plan you're referring them to, and it's going to show you how much you can potentially make with their website. Now the website in question is Testimonial, and this is what mostly people use when they want to get testimonials for their website, which obviously anyone selling anything online needs, and it's really easy and simple to integrate. We've been using it for our own websites as well and for our own services, and it was very, very effective. So you can see that they have an affiliate program which is hosted on Rewardful, which is pretty simple to sign up to. So you basically just enter first and last name, you then just log into your account, and then you can find your affiliate link right over here. It's going to look something like this with your own username. The next affiliate program comes from this platform that I've used to make tens of thousands of dollars per week, and the platform in question is Teachable. At teachable.com, people can sell courses, coaching, and digital downloads, and Teachable affiliate program gives monthly reoccurring revenue so that you can refer someone once and keep on earning commissions as long as they keep on using the platform. Now, I myself, I've been paying for Teachable since 2018, so if someone referred me back then, they're probably earning affiliate commissions to this day. The next affiliate marketplace that I use to make over $1,000 a day with is this one over here that is called Warrior Plus. Now at Warrior Plus, you actually have a bunch of different offers that you can promote. You just go to the affiliate offers and they constantly launch new offers. So here's how you can find the good ones. You see the release date, it shows you when they was posted, but more importantly, you want to look at the conversion rate. So we can see that about 17% of people that land on the website purchase something, and the visitor value is $5 per sale, which is pretty a lot. Average sale is $43, and the refund rate is only 0%, which is great because most of these offers have a refund rate that is over 5%. And when you see something that has over 8% refund rate, you want to run away because the product is not good and you're going to be getting a lot of issues with it. So you just want to find something like this. It has like 0 or 1% refund rate. You just click request to promote. You're then just going to explain why you would be a good affiliate for this offer and click request offer. The next affiliate program actually pays up to $75,000 per month if you have enough traffic, and it's called Ad Creative, and this is for people that are running ads online or offline because it creates ad creatives with AI for them. It's very effective, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their website, you can find the affiliate program right over here. That's going to take you to this page where you can scroll through. You can also see me there. By the way, this is not my website. They just put my video there, but just become a partner right over here, sign up and create an account through PartnerStack. An affiliate program that made me $500 in a single day is this one that is called 1 of 10, and 1 of 10 is a tool that people use to grow their YouTube channels, to find viral videos so that when they post them on their own YouTube channel, it potentially gets more views. It's really effective for YouTube creators. Now their affiliate program is available right over here, and it's hosted through Rewardful, which is pretty easy and simple to sign up to. You would then basically just get an affiliate link in seconds that's going to look something like this, which is your own username here. Next affiliate program comes from Google itself. Not a lot of people know that Google actually has affiliate programs available, and their affiliate programs actually pay pretty high. They pay about $270 per person you refer, and you can just join right over here. Now the problem is that they're hosting it through some weird marketplace, and when you click on join now, it takes you to cj.com, which in my opinion is a trash website and it's like very confusing. You would have to fill out a bunch of forms just to get accepted to promote Google products and services. Now the next affiliate program that I use that's making me money every single month is vidIQ. Now vidIQ is this tool that people use to grow their YouTube channels, again, to get more views. They can find viral video ideas, they can research keywords, they can spy on their competitors, do all sorts of different things related to YouTube and YouTube videos. And they also have an affiliate program that pays quite heavily. So if you go to the affiliate center over here, you can just right away get your affiliate link. It's going to look something like this. The next affiliate program that I believe is extremely effective is Audible, because they pay you $5 per person you refer for free. So someone can get a free audiobook from Amazon and you're still going to be paid $5 for that. So you can literally make content where you say, hey, you get this book for free, whatever that book from Audible is, and there's literally millions of them. And then when they sign up, you still get paid $5 from that. Plus you get another $10 if they actually purchase the gold membership. And then you also get 50 cents on every other audiobook that they get because they signed up through your link, which is pretty crazy. The sign up process is also simple, especially if you already have an Amazon account. You just apply right over here and you're ready to go. The next website on our list is Yazing, where you can instantly find offers to promote, which is what I really like, because I don't want to sign up to some affiliate network and then I gotta wait for weeks to get accepted. Literally forget about it. And at the thing, you can just sign up and you instantly get these offers to promote. For example, this one pays $70 cash reward, and I can just click promote to earn, and then right away it gives me my affiliate link, and then I can track my affiliate commissions at the dashboard section, and then I can go to the edit profile section to add payment details. Now, in the video that's on the screen right now, I talk about how I run faceless YouTube channels that are generating ad revenue every single day, but also generating traffic for my affiliate links, so you can watch that for completely free.